Have you ever gotten one of these super cool all-in-one photography kits? They are really awesome, especially if you're gonna just start out. But as time goes on and as you do more and you wanna be a little more sophisticated in what you're doing, this stuff is really very weak, very fragile, and a real point of stress because it's always bending, falling over, that kind of stuff. So I got from VEVOR this cool super heavy duty unit to replace that. And I have to say, it's a real good value proposition because this is real quality for not a lot of greenbacks. I think I'm allowed to say that, we'll find out. But yeah, this seems really cool. So what do you say we pull down this junky stock one that came with the kit and put up a fancy new one? Let's do that now. Okay, how about that? That was pretty quick, that setup. Oh man, let me tell you, when I say this is massive compared to the original kit, actually let me show you. Let's go remote on the GoPro. Come on, let me show you. So here's a dog. He comes with the kit. No, he does not. But this is the VEVOR one. This is the basic photography kit size. Can you see the difference in the size of the diameter? Look at the size of how big it is. And that's because it is so much bigger and it's going to be so much more stable. This is an absolute winner. Even your dog can lie on it and knock it over. How cool is that? It does come with a set of clamps and stuff for holding it up. This one happens to have the thing built into it, so it just goes through the tube. So now what are you gonna do? I'm gonna tell you what you can do. You're gonna help our channel out. You are gonna smash that subscribe button, maybe follow depending upon where we are. They all have a like, please like it, and comment below what kind of photography or videography are you doing that you're gonna use this for? Because whatever it is, you're gonna win at it. I promise you that. This is a no-brainer. There might actually even be a link below to pick it up right now if you want. Worst case, there is a link in the description where you can get it. That also helps the channel. We appreciate it. Anyway, this is a fabulous win no matter how you figure it out. I hope this has been helpful. We'll see you next time.